Namur 1. 1975 Oldsmobile Cutlass S. Price, $6,500. Location, Vernon Rockville, Connecticut. This 1975 Oldsmobile Cutlass S is a solid classic American car that offers strong performance potential and timeless muscle-era styling. Priced at $6,500, this vehicle is located in Vernon Rockville, Connecticut, and was offered approximately 20 weeks ago. With 116,000 miles on the odometer, it remains a well-preserved example of a mid-1970s Oldsmobile. The car features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, making it an easy and enjoyable cruiser. It is finished in a clean blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, giving it a classic and cohesive appearance. The vehicle has had 2 previous owners and is fully paid off, ensuring a straightforward ownership transfer. Under the hood, this Cutlass is powered by a 1969 350 rocket engine with number 5 heads, offering stronger performance than the original setup. Several upgrades have already been installed, including a mild cam, high RPM intake, Holly Demon double pumper carburetor, roller rockers, a dual-core radiator, and a 19-inch cooling fan to keep the engine running cool. Additional recent improvements include brand new front and rear brakes, 4 new shocks, new rear springs, and freshly installed outer tie rods, sway bar links, and an idler arm. Also included, but not yet installed, are upper and lower ball joints, inner tie rods, a drag link, and polyurethane bushings for the upper and lower control arms. This Cutlass S is a strong candidate for weekend cruising, car shows, or a full restoration project, and examples like this are becoming increasingly hard to find. Namur 2. 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2D. Price, $10,000. Location, Burns, Oregon. This 1973 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2D is a true American performance icon with serious racing history and hot rod character. Offered at $10,000, this Corvette is located in Burns, Oregon, and was listed approximately 3 weeks ago. Showing 12,346 miles on the odometer, this vehicle is far from a typical stock classic. The car is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It features a bold red exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a classic and aggressive Corvette appearance. The vehicle has had 3 or more previous owners and is fully paid off, allowing for a smooth ownership transfer. Under the hood, this Stingray is powered by a Pat Musi built 406 small block Chevy, producing over 500 horsepower with even more potential available. The engine is paired with a TH400 transmission and includes a line lock, making it well suited for drag racing. According to the seller, the car consistently ran 11-second quarter-mile passes during its racing days. This Corvette was built and owned by a dedicated car enthusiast for 33 years and was even featured in Hot Rod magazine after receiving its custom paint. It currently sits on new tires and is ready for a new owner. While the paint and body could use some attention, the car is described as solid overall, making it an excellent candidate for restoration, racing, or a unique street machine. Trades may be considered, and offers are welcome for this powerful and historically interesting Corvette. Namur 3. 1978 Ford Thunderbird. Price, $6,950. Location, Chesapeake, Virginia. This 1978 Ford Thunderbird is a beautifully preserved classic that showcases the luxury and comfort Ford was known for in the late 1970s. Priced at $6,950, this vehicle is located in Chesapeake, Virginia, and was offered just 1 day ago. With 65,000 miles on the odometer, it represents a well-maintained example of a classic personal luxury coupe. The car is powered by a reliable 302 V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline. It features a striking red exterior matched with a red interior, creating a bold and cohesive appearance that stands out while still remaining period correct. According to the seller, this Thunderbird is in exceptionally clean condition and shows no rust, a major advantage for a vehicle of this era. The car retains its original paint, which remains in great shape, and the interior is described as excellent to near new condition. Comfort and convenience features include air conditioning, an AM/FM radio, power steering, and power brakes, all contributing to a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. Recent maintenance and upgrades include new tires, a new gas tank, a new carburetor, and a new dual exhaust system. The vehicle has also been recently serviced, ensuring it runs and drives very well. It comes with a clean title in hand, making it ready for immediate transfer to a new owner. This Thunderbird is an excellent choice for collectors, weekend cruisers, or anyone seeking a classic American luxury car in outstanding condition. Number 4. 1980 Ford Granada. Price, $5,950. Location, Chesapeake, Virginia. This 1980 Ford Granada is a clean and well-maintained classic sedan that offers simple reliability and comfortable driving at an affordable price. Priced at $5,950, this vehicle is located in Chesapeake, Virginia, and was offered just one day ago. With 90,000 miles on the odometer, it remains a solid example of an early 1980s Ford. The car is powered by a dependable 6-cylinder gasoline engine, paired with an automatic transmission, making it an easy and smooth daily cruiser or weekend classic. It features a fresh white exterior complemented by a blue interior, creating a clean and timeless color combination. According to the seller, this Granada has been recently serviced and runs and drives great. Several important updates have already been completed, including a new battery, new tires, new belts, and new hoses, providing added confidence for the next owner. The vehicle also benefits from a new paint job, giving it a refreshed appearance that stands out nicely. Comfort and convenience features include air conditioning, an AM/FM radio, power steering, and power brakes, all contributing to a pleasant driving experience. The interior is reported to be in good condition and reflects careful ownership. This Ford Granada comes with a title in hand, making it ready for a quick and straightforward transfer. Offers are welcome, giving buyers the opportunity to own a clean and affordable classic Ford that is ideal for cruising, local shows, or adding to a growing classic car collection. Number 5. 1977 Cadillac DeVille Coupe 2D. Price, $5,500. Location, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This 1977 Cadillac DeVille Coupe 2D is a classic American luxury car that delivers iconic styling, smooth performance, and impressive comfort. Offered at $5,500, this vehicle is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and was listed just one day ago. With only 35,245 miles showing on the odometer, it represents a low-mileage example for a car of this era. The DeVille is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, offering the relaxed and effortless driving experience Cadillac was famous for in the late 1970s. It features a striking red exterior paired with a matching red interior, giving the car a bold and elegant appearance that perfectly suits its classic luxury character. According to the seller, this Cadillac runs and drives well and has no significant damage or major mechanical issues. Recent updates include a new battery and new front brake hoses, helping ensure reliable operation. The vehicle is described as a cool and enjoyable car to drive while also being a good candidate for light restoration or continued improvement over time. This DeVille comes with a clean, clear title in hand, and the vehicle is fully paid off, allowing for a smooth and straightforward transfer to the next owner. The seller is asking $5,500 and may also consider a trade for a 1970 to 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, making this an interesting opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. Whether you are looking for a comfortable cruiser, a project with strong potential, or a standout classic luxury coupe, this 1977 Cadillac DeVille offers excellent value and timeless appeal.